Hello everyone, my name is Rizki Ananda Putra. I'm a student from Binasarana Informatics University. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that we use every day. This topic is computer and hardware. Okay, we all use computer for studying, working, entertainment, and even communication. But have you ever wondered how a computer really works? In this presentation, I will explain what a computer is, how it functions, and what hardware means. Let's begin. Maybe right now, you're watching this video using a computer or your phone. Well, there's also a type of computer. Next, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data to produce meaningful information. In simple terms, a computer receives input, data and instruction, process it, and produce output information. A computer consists of two main parts: hardware, or the physical components such as a keyboard and monitor, and software, the programs and instructions that direct the hardware. So, basically, a computer is like a smart assistant that follows our commands and helps us get things done faster. Without software, hardware will just sit there doing nothing, like a car without driver. Next, main function of a computer. The main function of a computer are input and processing and output and storage. It's actually simple. We give something to the computer, it works on it, and then gives us the result. For example, when I type something, that's input. The CPU processes it, and I can see the next on the screen. That's output. Next, types of computer. Types of computer are supercomputer, mainframe, and personal computer or PC. What is supercomputer? Supercomputer is a high-performance computer that uses thousands of processors working in parallel to solve complex problems much faster than a regular computer. These computers are used for scientific simulation, weather forecasting, medical research, and climate modeling. And next, mainframe. What is mainframe? Mainframe is a large computer designed to process big amounts of data and run critical business applications. It's often used by banks, government, and large corporations for transaction and statistics. Mainframe can handle thousands of users at the same time, and they are very reliable for important tasks. And last, personal computer or PC. A computer designed for one person at a time. It can be used for various tasks such as typing documents, browsing the internet, playing games, or running applications. A PC typically consists of a CPU, RAM, storage, and peripheral devices such as a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, next, what is hardware? Hardware is the physical part of a computer that we can see and touch. It includes internal hardware such as the processor, RAM, and hard drive, and external hardware such as a keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer. Hardware works together with software to perform computer function. So, if you can touch, it's hardware. For example, the monitor you're watching or the keyboard you're typing with this hardware. And without hardware, a computer will be useless, just like a body without organs. Next, example of hardware. Example of hardware include monitor and keyboard and mouse, processor, hard disk, RAM, graphic, and many more. Yeah, you know that. Each part has a special role. The processor is the brain, the RAM is the short-term memory, and the hard disk is the long-term memory of the computer. All these parts work together. That's what makes a computer so powerful. And next, category of hardware. Hardware can be divided into four main categories. And first, input device and output device, processing device, and storage device. And what is input device? Input device allow a user to send data and control signal to a computer. Example, include the keyboard and mouse. Next, what is output device? An output device converts data from a computer into a form that humans can understand, such as a visual display, sound, or printed document. Example include the monitor, printer, and speaker. Next, what is processor device? A processor device interprets and manipulates data by performing calculation and logical operation. It acts as a link between input and output. For example, the CPU and GPU. And last, what is storage device? A storage device is used to store and retrieve digital information, such as files, programs, and data. Example include hard drives, SSD, and flash drive. It's easy to remember. Input is what we give, and processing is what happens inside, and output is what we get back. And of course, storage keeps all your data safe, like the computer's memory bank. So, that's all for my presentation today. To summarize, a computer is an electronic device that processes data to produce meaningful information. It works through four main functions: input, processing, output, and storage. And hardware is the physical part that makes the computer work properly. I hope my presentation helped you understand more about computers and hardware. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a great day.